Number 5. Foot Pedicure Machine. Introducing the electric foot grinder pedicure machine, your ultimate solution for smooth and callus-free feet. With its powerful 1200 RPM motor, this device effortlessly removes dry, dead skin and calluses, leaving your feet feeling soft and rejuvenated. Featuring a 360-degree rotating head, it efficiently tackles rough spots on your heels and soles. Plus, you have full control over its speed, allowing you to adjust it to your preference for a personalized experience. The electric foot grinder comes with replacement sandpaper discs, ensuring hygienic use every time. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or vacation, so you can maintain your foot care routine wherever you go. Whether you're at home or in a nail salon, this pedicure device offers safe and fast removal of calluses, providing professional quality results in the comfort of your own space. Say goodbye to rough feet and hello to silky smooth skin with the electric foot grinder pedicure machine. Number 4. EMS Ultrasonic Peeling Machine. Introducing the EMS Ultrasonic Peeling Machine, your ultimate skincare companion for radiant and healthy skin. This innovative device combines ultrasonic vibration, EMS microcurrent, and ion technology to offer a range of skincare modes tailored to meet your daily needs. With its ultrasonic high-frequency vibration, this machine deeply cleanses the skin, effectively removing acne, blackheads, and impurities. It also enhances nutrient absorption, leaving your skin nourished and revitalized. Featuring 4 skincare modes including Peel, Lifting, Ion Plus, and Ion Dash, it offers comprehensive care for your skin. From cleaning pores to tightening and lifting the skin, it helps reduce fine lines and promotes a more youthful appearance. Its simple and stylish design makes it convenient to use at home or while traveling. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry wherever you go, ensuring you can take care of your skin anytime, anywhere. Experience the difference with the EMS Ultrasonic Peeling Machine and unlock smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin effortlessly. Number 3. ANLAN Ultrasonic Cleaner Skin Scrubber. Introducing the ANLAN Ultrasonic Cleaner Skin Scrubber EMS Face Lifting Skin Care IPX5 Waterproof Deep Cleaning Peeling Facial Cleaning Machine. This innovative device offers advanced skincare solutions with 4 key improvements to address waterproof concerns. It features magnetic charging, eliminating the need for charging ports and enhancing waterproofing compared to traditional charging methods. The touch power button design ensures there are no gaps, minimizing the risk of water ingress during use. The self-supporting cover prevents leaks and allows for ventilation, ensuring the device remains dry and hygienic at all times. The waterproof silicone material used in the cutter heads eliminates gaps, further enhancing water resistance and durability. With these enhancements, the ANLAN Ultrasonic Cleaner provides deep cleaning, peeling, and facial lifting with confidence, making it an ideal skincare companion for your daily routine. Experience professional-grade skincare in the comfort of your own home with the ANLAN Ultrasonic Cleaner. Number 2. Facial Massager Roller. Introducing the EMS Facial Massager Roller, your ultimate companion for achieving a youthful and radiant complexion. This innovative device combines bionic current and high-frequency microvibration to lift and tighten facial skin efficiently, helping you sculpt a more defined V-shaped face. With 3 customizable skin care modes and adjustable intensity levels, this massager caters to the diverse needs of different users, ensuring personalized care for your delicate skin. It's not just a massage device, it's also a face-lifting tool designed to improve skin quality from within. By tightening the skin and enhancing its elasticity, it leaves you with a smoother, plumper complexion that radiates girlish charm. Say goodbye to fine lines and wrinkles with the EMS Facial Massager Roller. From forehead lines to crow's feet, it effectively diminishes various signs of aging, giving you a more youthful appearance. Get ready to embrace rejuvenated skin and rediscover your natural beauty with this anti-wrinkle beauty device. Number 1. Ozone Facial Steamer. Introducing the Ozone Facial Steamer, your go-to solution for deep cleaning and skin rejuvenation. This advanced facial steamer effectively moisturizes your skin by producing a continuous hot mist, free from impurities. It penetrates the skin barrier quickly, ensuring faster hydration and enhanced absorption of nutritional essence. But that's not all. With its unique aromatherapy case located at the top of the extension arm, you can indulge in your favorite scents during your spa session. Transform your home into a soothing oasis of relaxation. Thanks to its extended arm design, you can comfortably lie down and enjoy a spa-like experience. Plus, the 360-degree rotatable dispersing port caters to your specific needs, ensuring maximum comfort and flexibility. Compact and portable, this facial steamer is easy to use and perfect for home use or travel. Experience professional spa-quality results wherever you go. Say hello to radiant, rejuvenated skin with the Ozone Facial Steamer.